Today, I'm going to share some awesome tips on how to bond with your koi fish. Let's dive in. First up, spend time near the pond. Simply being around your koi pond regularly helps your fish get used to your presence. Consistent presence helps build trust. Next, hand feed your koi fish. Start by offering food from a distance and gradually move closer. Eventually, try feeding them directly from your hand. This creates a positive association and helps your koi fish recognize you. Third, use gentle movements. Koi fish are sensitive to sudden movements. Approach the pond slowly and avoid quick, jerky actions. Gentle movements make your koi feel safe and more likely to come close to you. Fourth tip, talk to your koi fish. It might sound funny, but talking to your koi in a calm and soothing voice can help them get used to your presence. And finally, create a comfortable environment. A clean, well-maintained pond with proper filtration, plants and hiding spots helps reduce stress for your koi, making them more likely to interact with you. Let me know in the comments how you bond with your koi fish, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.